Hello friends, myself Dr. Khyati Shah, working as a senior lecturer and head of department at Sri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College, Ahmedabad, hereby take an opportunity to demonstrate and explain you the importance of incentive spirometry during COVID recovery. Yes, today we are going to see how can we make our lungs healthy post-COVID. So before starting, I would like to request all the viewers to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel to receive such interesting videos. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. So now, starting with the topic, we all are aware how the second wave of COVID pandemic has affected people all over the world. People rushing for oxygen, rushing for ventilators, etc. And that was all very scary. So COVID basically affects our lungs, because of which fibrosis occurs in the lungs as well. So we want the lungs to expand so that we can regain the breathing capacity post COVID. So what should be done for that? So for this, the device which we use is the incentive spirometer, which is easily available at any chemist shop. So here I have a patient who has been recovered from COVID and has been doing incentive spirometry regularly. If you are recovering from COVID, you should do this exercise. It will really help you a lot in the recovery period. So there are two ways how you can do this. First way is exhale completely and then you have to take a deep breath inside. So you take the mouthpiece and put it inside your mouth and hold it firmly inside the mouth and inspire. You will see that the balls are rising up. Try to hold the balls for 2 to 5 seconds. This will help in chest expansion. You should do this at least 8 to 9 times in one go and 5 to 6 sets during the entire day. The other way to do this is to exhale into the device. For that, you should turn the device upside down. Take a deep breath inside and then blow the air into the mouthpiece and see the balls rising up. Repeat this 8 to 9 times in one go and 5 to 6 sets in one day. These two exercises will help you and your lungs in recovering from COVID. Mind well, COVID infections can reoccur as well. So keep your lungs healthy, keep wearing mask, take all the precautions and take vaccine as well. Thank you very much.